Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another video. Our first selection for Salads Month is a confetti of Asian slaw. I truly love this salad because it's so healthy and it's plant-based. I remember the first time I made it for a luncheon I made for Broward County Risk Management Division, and everyone loved it. Well, I'll let you get to the video. I hope you enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. Because I'm only making enough of this slaw for myself, I cut the ingredient list in half. You can find a link to the full recipe in PDF format in my description box. Be sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to see what videos will be coming next on this channel. On Facebook, you can find us at Angel Culinary Kitchen, on Instagram at @ Angel Culinary Kitchen, and on TikTok, Angel Culinary Kitchen. Now, wasn't that an easy recipe to make? You can make it just as easily at home, and I'm sure you'll get the same rave reviews that I got. You'll find a link to this recipe in my description box, as well as a list of YouTube channels that I love and I subscribe to. When you check them out, just let them know I sent you. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you enjoyed this recipe and this video, give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Hey, what are you waiting for? And if you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Be sure to be a blessing to someone today. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And make sure you come back and see what else I have for the salad month. I'll see you next time.